On our gas valve, we have a little indent here. It says pilot adjust. I'm not sure if you can actually see that or not, but it does say that. That's where we're going to adjust it from. So the pilot adjust is this screw here. So we're going to go ahead and take that out. Of course, we need a screwdriver. I loosened this one up. Pull that out. And inside of there is a little screw. And that's how you're going to adjust it. Sorry, I can't get you in there. Oh, there it is. A little screw in there. You adjust that out to have a bigger pilot and for a smaller pilot. So I'll put a little screwdriver knot in there, and we'll get on that. And so I can feel it now. So it's sitting right in the right spot. Now on the inside of the furnace. Okay, on the inside here, we can see where the pilot's going to be. It's going to be right here. And we're going to hold on our button so we can light the pilot. You can see that was barely keeping that thing lit. So I'm going to turn this out. And we turned it up a bit. So you can see the pilot's a little bit bigger now. And it's definitely hitting on the thermocouple. So we should be in pretty good shape here. Now if you adjust it and it don't adjust enough, you're going to need to pull out your burner assembly and clean it real good. You probably have dirt in it. So turn it in for a smaller pilot, turn it out for a bigger pilot. And that looks pretty good there. So we're going to let the button go. And our pilot is holding. It's on the thermocouple. It looks pretty good. So there you have it. Let's give it a fire it up. No, it didn't turn out to the on position yet. Okay, it all lit up pretty good. So we went ahead and adjusted the pilot. And we changed the thermocouple. And I did kind of just tap on the burner a little bit to loosen up some dirt in there. And I noticed some dirt did come out. So eventually we might have to clean our pilot assembly. And furnace is ready to go. Pilot's all taken care of.